Hello Tinies, welcome back to Tiny Wonders 8. Today we are diving into the amazing world of big cats, from lions and tigers to cheetahs and leopards. Let's jump in, the jungle is calling. Now tell me, which animal is known for its mane? The tiger, the lion, the leopard? It's B, the lion. Guess the animal, the tiger, the panther, the leopard. C, the leopard. Which one is not a big cat? The cat, the hyena, the lynx? It's B, the hyena. Anyone knows whose skeleton is it? Leopard, tiger, lion? It's B, tiger. Which animal is nicknamed the king of savanna? The lion, the leopard, the tiger? Answer is A, the lion. On which continent does the Bengal tiger live? Africa, America, Asia? It's C, Asia. What sound does a cat make? It's bark, it's roar, it's meow. C, it's meows. Guess the animal, the puma, the lion, the cheetah? Answer is A, the puma. What is the fastest big cat in the world? The panther, the cheetah, the leopard? B, the cheetah. What is the most popular domestic big cat? The tiger, the lynx, the cat? It's C, the cat. Let's go to the next question. The lion is insectivorous, herbivorous, carnivorous? It's C, carnivorous. Which is the largest big cat? The lion, the tiger, the cheetah? B, the tiger. How long does a lion sleep each day? 20 hours, 10 hours, 5 hours? It's A, 20 hours. Where does the black panther live? The mountains, the rainforest, the desert? It's B, the rainforest. In which country are there the most lions? Russia, Kenya, Tanzania? It's C, Tanzania. Which one can climb the tree? The tiger, the leopard, the lion? B. The leopard. Which one has the strongest bite? The jaguar, the tiger, the lion. A. The jaguar. Which big cat was considered a god in ancient Egypt? The lion, the leopard, the cat. C. The cat. Which one can't roar? The snow leopard, the jaguar, the puma. It's A. The snow leopard. Guess the animal. The tiger, the lion, the leopard. A. The tiger. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.